Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Simila Khan 92. Today our video is about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra screen zoom in and zoom out. Let's start. Go to the setting first and then scroll down. You can see here display. Go to display and then you again scroll down here and go to screen zoom. When you press on screen zoom, you can see on the downside there screen zoom plus and minus icon. Click on the plus there, click one time, it will go up. You also see the fonts showing upside increasing now. It means it is zoom in, it is full zoom in now. Up to that much you can zoom this your screen. You can see your icons are zoom in now. See, before it was small. Now I will show you back again. Go to the go to the display and then go to the screen zoom. Here you can see, and now we will decrease again back to the real position, the minimize till end. Then you can see it will be zoom out. So I will show you back now. See, your fonts are also zoom out, and this is your